Hi everyone.
In this tutorial I will show you how to play Roblox with PlayStation 4 controller. You will need the following. DS4 Windows with the SCP driver installer. It will be needed for your controller to work. And WinRAR. It will be needed for extracting the files from the RAR archive. If your computer is 32-bit, download the 32-bit version, and if your computer is 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. To find out what sort of computer you have, do what I do in the following. Open File Explorer and left-click this PC and click Properties. In the System Type section, you will see what sort of computer you have. After installing DS4 Windows, you will need to install the SCP driver. But first, you will need to open DS4 Windows for the first time, so some files in the folder appear to make it work. Extract the RAR archive of the SCP driver into the DS4 Windows folder. Open the installer and install it. I have already installed the driver. It is pretty simple to do this the USB way. Just plug in your controller and open DS4 Windows. There you go. You can configure or add a new profile if you don't like the controls in the default profile. To make a new profile, just click the drop-down box with default on it, and then press New Profile. And press Minimize to hide DS4 Windows. So you are wondering how to do this the wireless way? Well, there is, via Bluetooth. Open Settings. Select Devices. To let your controller be recognized as Bluetooth, press and hold the PS button and the share button. The light on the front of your controller should be flashing. The controller should appear in other devices. If it doesn't appear, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth. It should appear as Wireless Controller. Click on it, and it should connect. Now all you need to do is open DS4 Windows. There you go. Now all you need to do is open ROBLOX. In-game, you will now notice there is a circle in the middle of your screen, which means you can now control with your controller. You can also press Options if you want to go to the settings, leave the game, chat, notifications, player list and backpack. The button GUIs are not PlayStation since ROBLOX is a game that supports Xbox controllers, and DS4 Windows makes your controller be recognized as Xbox. The controller can't write in the chat, so you would have to use your keyboard to write instead. The controls can be seen in the options. R1 and R2 can toggle options in the options menu. You can experience glitches when exiting the options menu. To fix glitches, reset character. Some games allow you to press buttons on your controller. Some games support vibration as well. You can also use your controller to buy game passes. If you want to make it feel like you are playing ROBLOX on PlayStation 4, plug your computer to your TV by HDMI or any other display port. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find the tutorial useful and make sure to watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.